Wow, this is an interesting version. I really like this a lot. The arrangement suits the fusion between two different cultures, and singers singing and pronunciation is great. What's the story then? These are the exact words, a special compliment given to me by late world-renowned Hugh Roberts fiddle player and triple harpist. Shamai, Namaste, my name is Amruta and I'm delighted to share this piece with you as a part of Track Cymru's celebration of European Folk Day. It's a way of showing how folk traditions, even from different corners of the world, can come together and speak the universal language of love. Here is that song for you. Thank you.
Gama